Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to withdraw from the Trust Wallet. So if you want to withdraw any currency, any coin, uh, whatever you want to, how you can withdraw from the Trust Wallet, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Trust Wallet application. Once you will open it, you have to select the currency you want to withdraw from the Trust Wallet. So right now I have Bitcoin and Smart Chain. So let's suppose I want to withdraw my BNB from the Trust Wallet. Simply tap on it, and once you will do it from here, you have to search for the sent. So simply click on it, and here you have to enter the address, then you have to enter the amount, and after that you have to click on the continue. Once you will do it, after that you can simply call your smart contract and your coin withdraw from your Trust Wallet. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.